It's good to see you again. I'm assuming you've already watched the first episode, in which we've gone through the introduction of Pinyin. And most importantly, we've learned the 6 simple mommy vowels. If you haven't watched the first episode, I suggest you go back to see it, because we need to know all the simple final vowels to proceed on this pinyin series. You know what? It's like building blocks. We always want to make sure the foundation is strong and solid. Today, we're gonna learn the initial consonant babies. Not all of them, just 4 first. Let's get an easy start with initial consonants. B, P, M, F. In the first episode, I mentioned that initial consonants are like babies and final vowels are moms. And each baby consonant needs a mommy vowel to make a meaningful syllable. In the Chinese Pinyin system, a baby consonant could go with many different types of mommy vowels. For instance, a baby consonant B can go with a simple final vowel O and is pronounced as bo, meaning wave. If it goes with a compound mommy vowel, such as I, it will be pronounced as bai, meaning white. Or it could go with a nasal vowel, and pronounced as ban, meaning help. Interesting, right? We'll learn all these step by step in the future episodes. Today's goal is quite simple. We just need to review 1 simple mommy vowel and learn 4 baby consonants. I'll combine the consonants and the vowel to make meaningful syllables in Chinese and practice them in 4 different tones. To make it more interesting, I'm gonna introduce some Chinese characters, all of which are meaningful words linked with the syllables. Or should I say the pronunciations? Without further ado, let's go for it. B, B, O, bo, B, O, bo, 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 bo,波，波浪 wave， 波，波浪 wave， 脖，脖子 neck， 脖，脖子 neck， 跛 limping 薄 limping 薄荷 mint 薄荷 mint or pour or pour 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 pour坡上坡 going uphill 坡上坡 going uphill 婆阿婆 granny 婆阿婆 granny 破 broken 破 broken 么哦摸么哦摸摸磨磨磨摸磨磨磨摸 touch 摸 touch 磨 polish 磨 polish 抹
wipe
抹
wipe
沫泡沫 foam 沫泡沫 foam o for o for Buddha Buddha It's a fulfilled day. We now have a basic understanding of the pinyin system. We'll learn more in the future. Don't forget to practice on your own and get ready for the next episode. Please give me a like and subscribe. There are many new episodes waiting ahead. Please click on the notification bell so you won't miss anything. Bye!